tiles, chimney, kitchen, color jungle, mountain, the morphological. And the magical and premium energy. And fibers would not type down covered fibers of the current more to the quasi primary would be human money and secondary leadership is an example raster. Raster can be told without water, the quasi primary human leadership called a mama. Fibers with them. The adventitious root root number called your study one yora, sour yora. The adventitious root and we call another plant but shaman yora. As a banyan tree, the banyan tree don't have to weather. Banyan tree don't look how you want to put branches together. Adventitious root is banyan tree. Look at my energy, banyan tree. What is the banyan tree? The next root function, the root function because you know, control the child root because as to water down and minerals because absorption. Any appointment for root approach here of common gura. Common become for the root some also. And root consider region of root area, root check 5.3 area. Root consider project change to the root get down. Get on some layer, get the root and we can essentially pay on to. And we consider what take place here. What take is it the broad china and the salon china, big such a region of elongation. Elongation now, region of elongate enough increase our and even elongate chapter catching root into measure the region of maturation. Region of maturation now this one. And this one called root here means nutrient mineral and water someone episode changes. And next topic is called stem. A stem of called stem because stem of called loma metal that's my and stem of node internal and near and sugar cane the nutrition of the land become loma is sugar cane and the loma is a one node node means kima internode kima internode is internode. The modification of stem in underground stem aerial stem. Underground is soil aerial the number above the soil in some aerial underground soil another stem because food storage. Food storage example ginger share and potato kamusta ani shogo dala ani area dikhana area is sky down le to mane na so do chapter share ani ringo yodira and thread like structure yodira ani area ki example hoshna pumpkin down watchman then next is leaf na how gamara ani to Venetian kurang lagi chance near. Reticulate down and parallel Venetian near. So remove of the picking up my pencil, remove of chill there. We need the reticulate Venetian remove in some irregular in here or veins. Veins in some irregular double chamber of the Kabuya. Parallel when I'm that kind of grass, grass get removed, parallel chick. Comes the parallel race track. These are parallel Venetian already. Next the leaf types together, simple leaf compound leaf and leaf. Simple leaf na leaf too. Simple leaf incision done, no fruit done. Incision is the meat kima dila, touch kima dila. In compound leaf dikhadena, so leaves here. Leaf kinzo meat with kima da, meat with the touch report. Dila compound leaf down. What is that? And final text is tons of branches. Stem color branch color loma di color. Loma itu juga. Ani final text is always final text is nama bukan dengan. Final text is nama dia sulit. Alternate types and opposite types. Ani for learning sulit. Final text ada. Alternate dengan kami tahu orang. Gaun jiwal di alternate dia. Ani alternate kejutan version mana dulu na? Labdi cik dia wakam cik wala cik gaun cik wala era. Nanti khas bukan dulu na spiral pintu dulu tadi orang. Then example dia example kan China rose na kamu pintu dulu. And next kan na opposite kan na labdi kamu cik. Saya cuma letak. Bila opposite tak, then opposite example kan na gaun aku bela. Gaun example. And more than that, I'm going to have to check that. And the people taking him out, you know, for the method, that's a chicken method. That's a was in the phone to share the method, which we did for the and next, the color inflorescence. Inflorescence, Tishin Chigala, and method gave it inflorescence of method, Loma gave it inflorescence. Inflorescence of 5 years, raise most and sign was like raise most the plant continues growing. Then all changing can become continuous growing. Sinus of growth limited. Tapaji. Here down and Medoshana, Nakushia, the sinus growth limited. Then a raise most example to the and must and plus a certain material. Only the stand any reddish labu. And sinus such example to the jasmine and medogogia. Medogogia is so sharp and the Kushia. When you can make raise most to 거기 와서 하리 올줄 때 감, 뭘 지기지기야 살살이나 완전 경험 좀 쳐야 니들은 사이버스나 베스트 양 유래인 감이 내가 셔서다 남사시 올 제일이다. The next 이카르나 flower 뭐도 하르나 Corolla, carrots, attrition and garnition really sumir. The corolla and carrots naman hague. Medo yara, medo. Medo yara, medo ajiti. Pattern naman yung kalaw na. Pattern ng corolla daw. Pattern ng corolla ani sample na and carrots daw. And attrition the garnition yung kalaw na. Me na male the female in yara. Ani medo bechko chikam attrition na male reproductive part flower ya. Garnition yung na female reproductive part. And attrition na ano yung kalaw. Semen and yara. Filament na. Dino jo na chongi gira. Filament na down the anther daw. Here of the semen sa. The male female vagina garnition with the highway stigma style and number the ovary sumir. This hamba la khala order na carton la. Stigma na sticky part polyframe lens vagina. Jamni chipe dina and stigma la. Style na ani pollen grain ni patch the package da. Dina stigma la style na ani ovary na process structure la ovary la. Calyx na the sample of the shibara. Sample देखा चाहिए मतलब तो मैं तो जिमाशन भी नहीं आप बात की लम्बा जमुष्टा क्यों माशन नहीं जमुष्टा इस हमारा अनि sample लो sample की मतलब कुछ मतलब थोड़ा मैं project चलो कोई हुआ कि अनि pattern देखा लेना तो colorful patch डालने दो बच्चे इस हमारा pattern लो अनि pattern देखा चाहिए ना तो inside जो attract शीरा colorful ये ini cuma di corona yang lawan Islam. Stick tu na, mono kau indigenous na, ani dai kau indigenous na ni na. Mono na cik lawan la. Dai ni na kau cik macam ni kau ni dia. Bila mono na dai lawan. Kalau yang stem ni cik cik stem tone dengan cik. Tone na stem lawan la. Tone tu example macam cactus. Cactus mangga di mana terma kumura kaini ila na sinji shima ki masai chiku project cheshi to instant tone dia terma kumura. Fruit ni chiku, the fruit ikar na ovary ni nature chana an madura fruit ni lawa. Fruit kurang la an true fruit dan false fruit ni ni ada cheshi kan ni. What is it now? which is the remote the figure number 527 you go at the simple na kala na ngi loma do right loma dikhan na incision to this much daya so the and mid with na touch mo to mo dila kala na symbol leaf da or dila compound leaf na the figure number 528 da since constant jigda mo dikhan na mid with kala labdi ini kamza ta khala figure dila ani dila kare compound la dila compound di ani khajina labdi ni to dila na thugo marla sa di mid kana thugo normal buzo and normal thu ada ani leaves chi to mango la ya chi to godra ta further text na khala na stem chigala stem wala branch digala and leaf ki normal ki arrangement chida dila further text la
plan is now the
This is